industry started in about 1990. We manufacture car carriers and wrecker bodies that are then installed onto third-party truck chassis. We have 5 manufacturing facilities, 3 in the United States, 1 in England, and 1 in France. After implementing the Montel SAFERAK system, we have seen several benefits. We've actually been able to eliminate an entire 52,000 square foot facility. We were able to bring all that product back in-house, so we've been able to save in building costs and logistics costs. We've been able to streamline our processes and open every aisle once every hour, so we've been able to streamline that and get our product out the door faster. Our main warehouse here that we store the Montel system is about 25,000 square feet. The 4 systems that we purchased from Montel occupy about 14,000 square feet of that area. We utilize the Montel SAFERAK system to store cylinders, winches, valves, hydraulic tanks, weldments, assemblies, you name it. We have the manual control box, we have the app control, and we've actually been able to change some of our processes in our LN system to more aligned with how this works as far as opening the aisles. My favorite part of the job, I think, is just working with the people, the employees, and collaborating as a team to get such an impressive product out. Pretty special to go drive down the road and see one of the products in action and know you had a part to play in it.